Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. The Shishiriku, prayer, Olufin Pikute, Owo Osode, Orunmila, Adifa, Fun, Esu, Ati, Orunmila. Story. There was a man who had a small amount of capital, but he was very wasteful, spending it on gambling and women. Because of this, his capital was nearly depleted, so he decided to consult Orunmila, and the Ifa sign Òdì Méjì appeared, prescribing the Ibo, the one mentioned above. Upon leaving Orunmila's house, the man thought about how he was going to spend the little money he had left to perform the Ibo. Esu, who read his thoughts, prepared 3 dolls, each containing a spirit, giving them the ability to speak and move. Then, Esu waited on the road with the 3 Shishiriku. When the man saw them, he was greatly amazed and asked Esu how much each one cost. Esu replied, "I don't sell them separately. If you want them, you must buy all 3. The man thought that it would be a great business opportunity, so he gave Esu all the money he had left to purchase the 3 dolls. He took them home, and at night, the spirits within the dolls came out, wandering throughout the house, speaking and screaming. Terrified by what he was witnessing, the man nearly lost his mind. In the end, he had to get rid of the 3 dolls and return to Orunmila's house. This time, he had to perform the abo and the ritual of the 3 gourds to remove the 3 agun araye, tormenting spirits, that were disturbing him. Additionally, he offered 2 black hens to Ifa to restore his prosperity.